Hi guys, welcome back. If you haven't already guessed, you should have by the title. We are going to look at a Series 1 RS Turbo that has been in a garage barn for, I believe, 12 years. He said he's had various work on this vehicle. I was only walking around Sainsbury's 5 minutes ago with the wife, rocking the MJG. He says to me, I've got something you might be interested in looking at. I'm looking at getting the underside restored and a few other little bits done. So why would I not bring you guys along to have a quick look? It's definitely worth a look. Again, not sure what we're going to see or what's going to be there, but definitely let's get in there. So a first glance under the back of this, no words really, no words. Bit of surface rust. Oh my God, been sat for so long in this condition. Just look at it. A little bit of surface rust there on the left. Looks like where the jacking point was. Looks like it's just picked off the original seam sealer. Look at the quality of it. It is just phenomenal. Usual place where they crush up. This one looks really good. Quite remarkable. So this is a side that's not yet had its work done to it. It's had some crust put on it just to protect it once it's been ground back. But this side is unbelievable. The work that's been done to it. There's no filler in that yet. It's spot on. So you should have just seen the underneath shots and the back shots. We've now closed the garage. Obviously disclosure of where this vehicle actually is. But having to walk around it, it is... Well, although it says barn find, it's original paint. We've just had a quick chat with the owner. Original paint, and even underneath, the shots you've just seen underneath, there's not a lot wrong with it at all. Really just wants a bit of a tidy up, and then that can it could go for a full colour, very similar. We've got two flat tyres on this side, and if you haven't already noticed, down here, that's where the kit's been taken off. Now, we've already mentioned it, but the wax oil's still on there from original. Another flat tyre. You've seen the back panel. He's had the work on the one side, which I've shown you, and he's having the work on the other side. But underneath itself, from what I can see here, actually still looks phenomenal. For a bit of a tidy up, it isn't too bad. I'll scan the picture now across and the video of the 21,500 miles. This is, yeah, a bit of a find, so beautiful. So a modified engine bay, but the owner has still got every single part of this to put it back to factory. Also, looks like some heritage panels here that they've been using for part of that back valance. We have found a bad bit on the car, the cracked dash. The owner said it was like that when he purchased it. Very common for these. Well, what can I say? Firstly, sorry about the pitch quality because it's got really dark real quick. As you've seen, we've just had a quick look around it. I've kind of had a look of underneath of what the customer is going to want. Going to try and advise him that really wants to leave most of that as factory as he can. I still can't believe that, you know, I don't know if he quite knows what he's got. 21, nearly 22,000 miles on a Series 1 RS Turbo. You know, the paint on top is as creamy as the day it came out the factory. It is by far one of the best ones I've seen in a long time. You know, we've seen Jason's, we've seen Jamie's. It's up there with that. So don't forget to like the video, give us a thumbs up, that'd be perfect. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment if any questions you want me to try and ask the owner of this vehicle. He's up for questions. He doesn't want to be on camera, which is perfectly fine, but I couldn't go to that venue without taking you guys with me to quite see, firstly, what we saw. You know, amazing. Hopefully there'll be more of this to come to the channel. I've told him what I think, I've told him what he needs to do. So, keep it real.